In this video, I will show you how to make a verification channel on Discord. So this is actually quite easy to do. It's a step-by-step process that I'm going to show you, so make sure you do stick around and watch the video to follow the process. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is you're going to install a bot onto your Discord, which you are going to need to set this up. So if you come and open up a browser, you want to install something called Me6 if you don't already have that. So you can come to Google and search for Me6, which is ME6. Or you can come across to the official website, which is me6.xyz. Once you come across to the page for this, all you need to do is click the blue Add to Discord button from the home screen. Now you just need to go ahead and invite the bot to the server. So you just want to scroll down and click the blue Authorize button down here. And then what you want to do is select the server that you want to add this bot to. So I'm going to add it to my Digital Tutor server. And what I'm going to do is just make sure that's selected from the next screen that pops up and then click the continue button. Finally, we just need to scroll down and again hit the authorize button down at the bottom and then just do the quick human verification check to add this to our server. Alright, so what's going to happen, it's going to take you across to the dashboard. You don't have to do anything just yet. So all we want to do is come to Discord and just check our server to make sure that bot's been added. And you can see if we look to the right hand side, we have the ME6 bot now added. So the next thing we're going to do is actually add a role to the server. So we're going to set up some roles for people that are verified and people that are unverified. So to do this, just come to the drop down box for the server at the top left hand corner. Give that a click and then you want to come onto server settings. From here, if you look to the menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto roles. And then from here, you just need to add a new role by clicking the create role button. So this blue button here. And you can just call this something like verified. And we can choose a color. So I'm going to go for green and then we are going to save the changes. So you want to click this pop up down here. And then you can just come out of this for now by clicking the escape key. So once this is done, we want to set up the verified channel. So we want to make sure we're in the correct server still. And then if we come to the left hand side and click onto text channels, we then want to go ahead and set up a channel. Again, you can just call this something like verified and then click the create channel button. Alright, so the next step that we're going to do is actually right click onto this channel and then we want to come and click onto edit channel. And then if we look at the menu on the left hand side, we want to come and click onto permissions. So what we're going to do first is set up the channel permissions for anyone that is unverified. So to do this, we're just going to scroll down and you can follow along with me on this bit. What we're going to do is just cross a couple of these off. So we're going to cross this one off and we're going to make sure this is set to at everyone, by the way. And then we're going to click the crosses just for the top full section. And we're going to leave this here, this create invite button. Next, we're going to go down and send messages. Yeah, you want that ticked. You can leave these blank here. Add reactions. You want to tick that one. And you want to cross this mention at everyone at here and all roles. Once that's done, you can just come down and click the save changes button. And that's going to set the permissions for anyone that's unverified. So now we're going to set up the channel permissions for verified members. So what you want to do is click this plus button up here and select verified from the list. If you can't see it, just go ahead and type it in and then click the plus, click on it and it's going to add it up here. Then what you want to do is click on this to select it. And obviously you can just go ahead and set this up for what you want verified members to have access to. So you can just go through and I don't know, choose which ones you want really, and again click the save changes button down here. So once that's done, we can come out of this page. That's all the permissions ready and set up. So now all we need to do is set this up with the ME6 bot and we'll have everything set up ready. Alright, so what we're going to do is come back to the general chat channel, mark followed by dashboard, and then hit enter, and this is going to take us across to the ME6 dashboard. You can just click the link here, that's going to take you directly there. Alright, so once you're in the dashboard for ME6, what you're going to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and you want to come down and click onto reaction roles. So from here, you're going to click this plus button where it says new reaction role, and this is where you're going to come to set up the role for verified users. So what you're going to do is select the channel from this drop down box. So you want to click onto the verified option. And then what you want to do is just scroll down the page. You can customize this if you want to. So I can change it to green, for example. And then what we're going to do is just put react to this message to get your role. So you can change this to please click the emoji to get verified. So once that's done, you're just going to scroll down all the way until you get to the next section, which says reactions and roles. And then what you want to do is click onto the add reaction button here, and you can choose from a list of emojis for which you want to use. So I'm just going to use this smiley face here. And next to that, you want to click the plus button and then choose the verified role. So that's all set up, ready to go. So what we're going to do is just scroll all the way to the top of the page and click the save and close button in the top right hand corner. And you can see that's now been added. So if I go back to the Discord channel, we're going to go into the verified and you'll see it's down here. So obviously when people come in, what they do is click this button here. And what that's going to do is verify them so they get access to the permissions and channels and anything else that you set up for verified users. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then please drop a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And also, if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord, make sure to click the on-screen prompt. And what that's going to do is going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.